Alright, let's try one of these little nymphs that we've been using a fair bit on the river. I like to call it the Rivet, but basically it's a different colour version of the Tassie Devil nymph. So I'm going to use the Semperfli 12-0 thread. We'll just lay that down. So I've got a Firehole size 16 520 hook, barbless, curved shank, just beautiful hook. Take that just after where it curves down. I've got a 3.5mm bead on there because just like to get it down a little quicker. Then we're going to use some brightening from the Lost Flies, the tag. So just tie a little bit of that in, like so. Line the scissors up with the back of the hook. That gives you a beautiful sized tail or tag. Then we're going to put in a little bit of some Hareline UV Krystal flash. This is going to be the rib. So line that on just like so. Then I'm going to use some Hends Spectra Dubbing. This is shade 46. You can use whatever colour you like. I like 46, especially this time of year. Just that dark, metallic, greeny, peacocky type colour. Don't even know if that's a word, but sounds alright to me. So we'll line that body on there. It's quite a thick body, really. And then we'll counter rib that with the UV. Just tie that off. Now we're going to use these Semperfli straggle legs. Now this one I'm going to use the black legs. I'll just tie that in. So I'll just poke it into the slot of the slotted bead and tie it down a couple of turns, and then I'll pull the legs back as I'm going 1, 2, 3 times round with the straggle legs, and I'll lock it in place, snip it off, and then a little bit of zapper gap on the thread. Alright, deep. For your autumn and spring trout.